Okay. A very good afternoon and a hearty welcome to one and all present here. There couldn't be a better day to launch our Innovis than the auspicious 75th anniversary of our independence. The last 74 years have seen Indian entrepreneurs in the likes of Azim Premji, Dhirubhai Ambani, J.R.D. Tata reach various golden milestones. Well, India is truly the land of opportunity and innovation.
To enable an easy ecosystem of entrepreneurs, our Ministry of Education has initiated many programs, and the Entrepreneurship and Incubation Cell is proud to be associated with one such initiative. Being recognized as the institution's innovation cell by the Ministry of Education has given us aid to make our startup community in HR College even more active. eCell at HR College is proud to announce Innovis 2021.
We would like to thank Dr. Pooja Ramchandani ma'am, our principal, who has given us the students the tag of brand ambassadors and given us the freedom to provide an opportunity like this. I would now request ma'am to say a few words and declare Innovis 2021 open.
Thank you, dear. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
I think as Karina said, a day of independence, a day where India got its wings to fly on its own feet. eCell of HR College is launching Innovis, an event where they are going to nurture entrepreneurs, give them opportunities to come up with their ideas under the mentorship of a very, very enterprising and dynamic Dr. Naveen Punjabi. I think I can see that enthusiasm in students from the root, which is for a tree, which is Naveen. I think July 2020, when I came up, I think Naveen was the first one to say, came up to me and said, ma'am, we have placement cell. I asked him, if you have placement cell, where do the people who want to start their business go? He said, no problem, I will start an entrepreneurship cell. And there was an eCell of HR College born to give platform to those who want to not just get placed, but place people under them, provide employment under them. Ideas need to be nurtured. Where will they go as students? eCell HR College under the guidance and mentorship of Professor Naveen Punjabi and the President Karina. I think, as Karina said, today is the day of independence, where Prime Minister of this country is talking about Startup India, where Prime Minister of this country is talking about Atmanirbhar Bharat, where the country is talking about getting positive response, that how we have fought Corona, how we have fought we are being looked at developing nation, but nation wise, world is looking at us as a vaccination center. World is looking at us as an example. I think these are those younger minds and our countrymen who have these innovative ideas inside them. They only need that spark, that only need that fire, just a path in the direction, and this becomes a reality. And eCell of HR College has come up with that vision only, that in the next 1 or 2 years, they will come out with at least 10 entrepreneurs of HR College who will create newer ideas, newer businesses, and will ensure that they just don't start the venture, but they also employ at least 20, 30 people from HR and other colleges. I think that's the dream we have come up with. And Innovis at contest is a step in that direction, where I was surprised to read when she said there are 132 participants. And I said, they are not participants, they are future entrepreneurs who have that idea. And today, judges and Professor Naveen will be giving them platform to showcase those ideas. And maybe, God knows, maybe we will meet someone as I said, somebody from Mukesh Ambani, or somebody who could be a great thing like Apple ka founder. Just give them ideas, give them platform. eCell is also looking at collaborating with venture capitalists so that they can get funds. And as I said, grow higher and higher, achieve higher and higher, be humble, employ more people. And with this, best wishes, happy Independence Day to all of you. brand ambassadors of HR College, E-Cell of HR College students and professor. Hearty congratulations to this opening ceremony after RISE, which was a very successful event. Innovative ideas that you all are coming out with. I think we are proud of you. And as Naveen and myself were saying, that we learn from you. We always say, why nothing in our college life people did. We are trying to do those things which never got done for us. So take the best of opportunities. Opening ceremony, best wishes, and beforehand, hearty congratulations for this successful event. I always say, HRites never leave things halfway. They create benchmarks. So hearty congratulations and all the best for Innovis. Maybe after the end of the day or end of the event, we would have got at least 132 ideas. Somebody would create a new innovation, and we will be proud to say that this came out of Innovis. So all the best and hearty congratulations. And once again, happy Independence Day. Let the entrepreneurs get wings to fly.
Thank you, ma'am, for those kind words. I would also like to introduce Dr. Naveen Punjabi sir, who is leading as the vice principal at our college and is also the professor in charge of the entrepreneurship cell. He always encourages us to give our best, set new benchmarks, and achieve new heights. I would now request Naveen sir to say a few words.
Thank you, Parth, for the very kind introduction. And thank you, Principal Ma'am, for these very, very encouraging words. Yeah, that's my 9-year-old daughter. So the whole idea that Ma'am had told us that we are helping people to get jobs. Why can't we help people to be job creators rather than job seekers? That's what gave birth to the E-Cell. So when we were discussing about E-Cell, I told them, let us apply to the ministry to be recognized as a proper E-Cell. And they were like, sir, abhi tak kuch chalu nahi kiya hai, next year kare kya? So on and so forth. And so the only thing that I learned from my teachers and my principal ma'am and everyone was, what's the worst that can happen? The worst that can happen is that we might fail, that we might not get the recognition, that some people might laugh at us and mock at us and say, boss, you did not do this well, aapne ye barabar nahi kiya, ye barabar nahi hua, wo usse pura kuch ho nahi sakta hai. So that's what my suggestion is. In all our everyday life, we all are failing, but we need to learn to accept failure. That is what entrepreneurship is all about: to learn, to fail, to relearn, and to grow. So it's not that any entrepreneur has not seen failure. We all have seen failure, but we have to learn to accept failure and regrow from there to whatever heights we can. So my only message to you would be that fail and fail early, because it's not that the success comes without failure. It's only thing that we should fail early in life so that when we reach the pinnacle, we don't fail there. So that's what my humble suggestion is. I must thank Principal Ma'am for all the support. Trust me, we told her, ma'am, हमको IIC में apply करना है. मना किसने किया है? आप लोग application late ला रहे हो. जल्दी का जल्द, अभी के अभी मैं सब sign करती हूँ. Take it. We told her, ma'am, we want to do Innovis. She said, go ahead. So the whole idea of doing it on 15th of August, 2021 was that India is in the 75th year of independence. And when as a team we were deliberating, we thought, can't we make people financially free? And the only way to get financial freedom is to be an entrepreneur where you're not dependent on anybody's salary, where you can get your own salary by working hard for your own self. So we thought this could be part of the 75th year celebration, where in the 75th year of independence, are we truly financially free to do whatever our heart says? Are we wealthy enough to do whatever our mind says? So this was the whole rationale when the entire team sat together and deliberated. Trust me, I only attended one meeting. So ma'am, I have not worked too hard. It is these people who are sitting there, Karina, Darshna, Parth, Mudit, Ishwita, entire team. So this event is of the students, by the student, for the student. We only come here to have a sip of coffee and, give our blessings. So this is all the entire effort of the entire team. I must also thank the 132 plus contingents who have registered from across India, right from names like IIT, State Lakes, to Jindal, to various universities across India. The internet has connected us now, and we are all all connected. So to see, even a young budding entrepreneur here is interested to know what is going on. So entrepreneur is the new name of the game, and let us see that which ideas, let the best ideas win. But if your idea does not win, it does not mean that your idea is bad. Trust me, if you have the guts, please try it, let it do whatever it can, and then see what happens. So with this note, I thank Principal Ma'am once again for all the support and always being there for us and giving us a free hand to do whatever we like within the framework, of course. And we thank the entire OC team who has managed the show very well, and all the participants. Wish you all the best, and may the best ones win. And congratulations to the entire ECEL for doing a great job.
Thank you, sir, for those inspiring words. We would also like to thank our title sponsor, Prerit. So without any further delay, let's get started. So here we would now like to conclude our opening ceremony and request the participants to stay back for the auction round. Thank you.